So the first step is to work out the length of your skirt. I'm then taking my quarter scale skirt pattern. This is the waist here at the very top. So this is where we are going to measure down from when we are working out the length. That is the front on the left, and then, there's the back on the left, and that's the front on the right. So the length I wanted in real scale was 90, so that divided by 4 is 22.5 for this quarter scale pattern. I'm going to take my ruler and align it with the center front line, and then continue that line down. It must be lined up to give a straight hem. I'm then going to measure from the waist. I'm going to do the same to the center back, sorry. I'm then going to measure from the waist down 22.5 centimeters and draw a little dash. I'm then going to take my pattern ruler and align the edge of the ruler with the center front line to make sure that that hem is going to be at a 90-degree angle. And I just draw across all the way to the back. I'm just going to finish off that little bit there. And then just going to extend that line, which is the side seam, all the way down to the hem, making sure that ruler is aligned with that side seam edge. Okay, next step is to grab another piece of paper and draw what we call a plumb line. So I'm lining up the pattern ruler with the edge of the paper, and then I'm going to draw across. I'm then going to flip the ruler over just to extend that line all the way to the other edge. Again, aligning it with that edge of the paper. So now I'm going to take my skirt quarter scale, I'm going to pop it underneath the paper, and I'm lining up the plumb line with the hip line. I'm then going to trace around my new pattern, the front and the back, including the darts. I'm then going to draw in a plumb line. So how I do that, a grain line, how I do that is line up the ruler with the plumb line on the front and the back. And that is done.